Ay, nako, daming truck. Kamusta naman kayo, guys? What is up, mga soldiers? Kulit. Sapa. What is up, mga soldiers? Welcome back to my channel. This is your guy, syempre, your average sneaker guy, Japok. And today is Today is December 22, and we are about to witness the magical, the extravagant, the manipulating traffic here in the metro. Yes. I'm so happy because tapos ko na yung aking day job. I mean, the whole full year na performance natin. Okay na to. And happy din ako kasi sa mga hustle natin that we are doing. Makakapag-unload na naman tayo ng pair. And bago ko syempre i-release yung pair or i-unload yung pair, gusto ko makita nyo muna. Sabi ko nga lately, di ba, dun sa last vlog ko is more on mga lumang releases na yung fini-feature ko kasi nga matagal tayong nawala, but it's better late than never. So today, it's a basketball shoe. So ma-unload na siya mamaya, so dapat i-review na natin to. And since meron ng KT7, I'm gonna give you the KT5 LOW. So this is it. This is the Anta box. Yes, yung typical Anta box. And of course, eto na yung KT5 LOW, and it's size 8.5 there. So this is the normal Anta Thompson box. No, it's just something well, now on sale to sa Anta outlet stores. And we got it at a reasonable price. Ayan ang SRP niyan. And nakuha natin to, guys, 2,000 pesos only. So huwag na natin patagalin. So here, it's just a simple tissue paper. Medyo manipis siya. Ayan. So this colorway, ito yung parang gustong gusto ng mga tao. Wow, so nice, no? Yeah, let's get this one. So this is the KT5 LOW, and yung naunang version ng KT5 was yung high, and hindi siya ganun naging hype because of high cut yun eh. So most of the people right now is going to some sneakers, yung basketball sneakers na pwede rin siyang gawing lifestyle or pang casual, no? And saka parang hindi siya ganun ka-playable. So let's go with the materials of this. Well, this is a golden pair, no? Parang bronze siya or gold, rose gold ang kulay. Ang ganda lang niya, sobrang nagpa-pop siya. And buong upper nito is knit. So Anta called this the Infinite. Yeah, they call this the Infinite, and makikita nyo yan dito sa medial side. So for me, this is true to size, no? I go all the way to 9 when it comes to basketball shoes kasi meron pa tayong mga socks, thick socks, and some ankle protection. But nung sinukat ko siya, it's napakanipis lang nung aking socks, and it really hugs the foot very well. Going sa toe box, yan, full knit nga yan yung upper na yan, and as you can see, yung lace nya is parang may embroidered yung mga lace hoops, yung mga loop, and meron siyang round lace as default, pero wala naman siyang extra laces. And as you go sa tongue, there's the Klay Thompson logo. So isang buong knit material yan. Very comfortable itong sapatos na to, no? Very comfortable. It's white, cream white, and it goes well with that rose gold or bronze color na combination. Sa kanyang toe area, Merong protection dyan for your lateral movements. And of course, yung chunk na midsole niya rito na parang cracked metal rose gold. Well, yung kanyang heel pillows hindi ganun kakapal, but it's really comfy din, no? So very nice for your heel protection. And of course, a heel, we have this heel guard over here, and a medyo tough dito syempre para sa heel protection ninyo, no? Sa medial side, so there you go, makikita nyo naman sa medial side yung Infinite logo, and of course the Anta logo. Sa midsole nya, ito yung number 11, which is Klay Thompson's number, and at the back it's Klay Thompson's signature, no? Well, Anta uses a great flash foam cushioning dito. Nasa mid siya ng Ultra Boost ng Adidas at Bounce, no, at React ng Nike. So nandun sa gitna. Napaka-komportable nitong sapatos na to, as in super solid, super comfortable. So yan, ito hindi ganon kahirap isuot kasi very wide naman siya. Ang ganda ng sock knit. So you just to pull this up and pull this over, mapapasok mo na inyong paa. Insoles, nothing special, Klay Thompson's logo. Let's go at the outsoles. Ayan, yung typical na outsoles ni Klay Thompson, signature outsoles niya. Yung traction nito is also great, although hindi ko pa na-try. But yung high version kasi nito, it's almost the same, translucent lang yung nakuha natin. But this is great, and I don't know how durable would this be and how well it could perform, no? So yes guys, no, sobrang late na, no, may KT6 na nga, tapos recently ni-launch na yung KT7, but still KT5 lows are one of the most comfortable and effective na pair na sapatos ni Klay Thompson. However, yung unang release lang hindi naging ganun kaganda yung acceptance with the high nito, yung high version, high cut. Kasi nag-start ng mga injury si Klay Thompson dun. And until now, yung KT7 recovering pa rin siya, yung pagbabalik niya sa NBA sa Golden State Warriors, pinaabangan pa rin ng mga tao. However, everyone is really looking forward with Anta because they are lumilevel na sila sa game, sa shoe game, sa basketball shoe game. And ang gaganda lang, no? Kung mapapansin niyo naman, sobrang nice ng mga sapatos nila with the design, technology. Nandun na sila talagang they're going inside the competition of the sneakers. Well, yun na nga. So far, meron pa nito sa mga stores, sa mga athleisure stores, and I don't know if meron pa rin si Anta. I haven't been there for a while, but you can check their onlines, no, yung kanilang mga pages. Meron din silang mga, I think, sa mga Lazada and Shopee, no, yung kanilang store. So please, siguro it's something na nakalimutan lang ng lahat, but this pair is really nice, and sayang lang, no, i-unload natin siya, but it's okay. So yun lang guys, yun lang tayo ngayon. Gonna be going to pick up another pair, and hopefully at tapos may mga bibenta rin tayong sapatos, may mga meetups tayo today. So grind lang, and yun lang guys. I'll see you on my next vlog, and have a happy holidays. Hopefully meron pa akong vlog this coming Christmas season, but advance Merry Christmas to everyone, and yun pa rin, stay safe, share your blessings, and spread love. Ciao baby, ciao baby, ciao. This is the holder monitoring. So nakakabit siya sa ating puso, hindi sa eksaktong puso. Ayan, you'll see. Ito yung attachment. Ayan, o, going inside there. So nakapaligid yan sa chest and sa lower part of our and then this one, the automatic blood pressure. Ayan yung tubo. goes at my back, going here sa baba. Ayan. Ito. So ayan, automatic ano to, blood pressure, PBPM ang tawag. So madami nakakabit sa atin ngayon to monitor the heart, and I'm good guys.